What's good, y'all? What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, how yourself, man? I'm back. I am back with another one, man. Road to 100K the series. Uh, got up around like 6. Snoozed my cock. Didn't really get up to like 6:15ish, 6:20ish type shit. So you throw that out the way. My face clear and shit like that. But yeah, though, almost like overslept and shit. So yeah, man. We got another one though, man. Road to 100K the series. Y'all already know what the fuck is going on. So let's just see what news got for us. See what's happening day. Let's just see how much news we got for the day, and then we're gonna get down to trading view. Do our top down. It is the 6th today, so the 666. Oh shit, it is the 6th though. So we got news at 6:30. So that's in 5 minutes. That's intriguing. Ain't it NFP week? Isn't it NFP? Ain't NFP tomorrow? I think NFP is tomorrow. I gotta check that. Hold on, let's just go get to the charts. Let's support. Delete it. Let's delete it. All right, so let's get our top down there, man. Take this back off. So remember what I was telling y'all with liquidity? Oh shit. We ain't even gotta look at how liquidity swipe. This is just some free game too. This ain't nothing to do with the top down right now. But look, this is a couple days ago. This is on the 2nd. Damn, what's today? The 6th? Yeah, so this is 4 days ago. So this is Tuesday. I got liquidity swiped from right here because look, we had liquidity. Oh shit, it was some right there too. But this liquidity, 4 hour swipe down here, started wicking, act like it was going price act like it was going down, maybe even to come over here to get this liquidity. But swipe this liquidity right there, started going up. What happened? There's some liquidity over here as well. This was liquidity as well. Look what price did. It swipe these swing highs, and then reversed. It reversed. It reversed. Look what happened again, man. After it came from reverse and it broke this breaker structure, broke these breaker structures. Price did the same thing. This was like liquidity right here too. Took it, it swiped, started reversing back up. So that's what liquidity does, man. For the most part, once price get to a certain area, um, get to where like the stop losses and a lot of pennant orders, buy limits and sell limits are at. It take traders out and then it go the other way. So that's how you can learn liquidity easy. But then again, like I said the other day, if you want a full detailed explanation on price action, not even price action, on how to spot liquidity, go to Do Exchange, how to spot liquidity. He got about like 2-3 videos on it. I think just two actually. And he will teach you how to spot that shit the easiest way. That's how I learned how to spot liquidity. Very simple. You can do the same. Now, let's get into this top down real quick, bro. Let's get into this top down real quick. Damn. I ain't even do like my little intro low key. But anyways, we finna just get into this top down real quick. I fuck around just do an intro later or something. It may just not be no intro today how I wanted to do it, but that's okay too. So as I come to the market, man, I definitely see the supply zone, 4 hour supply. I see that right here. See that boom, boom, boom right there. So I'm expecting prices like this the 4 hour. I'm expecting throughout the day to at least get up to this area. We don't have to, but that's what I'm expecting because look at this supply zone right here. This 4 hour supply zone right here. Invalid. Touch the bottom of the zone or the top of the zone, invalid. So this is what we do. Delete that. It don't matter. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Hold on. I'm tripping. I didn't even really see nothing. So yeah, we bullish. Okay, so we bullish on the 4 hour right now. Been making higher highs. Um, been making higher highs. Bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. You get all these extra drawings off, man. These bitches don't mean nothing. Don't need them. Don't need them. Supply and demand. So we've been bullish on the 1 hour. I see some demand right here. Some high probability demand. What makes this high probability? We got some breaks of structure. Breaks of structure to the upside. And then we got this um demand zone with the gap type shit. So and if you don't know how to spot high probability demand or supply zones, bruh, do me one favor, bro. Do me one favor. That's all you gotta do. If you wanna become a better trader, just type in Doyle Exchange on YouTube, gang, and go through his YouTube content. Now if you wanna learn how to spot if you wanna learn how to spot supply and demand with the gaps attached, you gotta go get his Discord. That's simple, man. I'm not finna like show what's really going on, like how to really spot like high probability demand and supply when I know I didn't put in that work for real to like I put in work, don't get me wrong, but I'm not the one who came up and formulated like the how to trade supply and demand for real. I got this from him. So I'm not just gonna just get his information that he worked real hard for. And some people pay to learn this. Like I had to pay to learn this. So if you really want to learn, you're gonna have to pay to learn that shit, man. It's not hard. Um, it's actually very easy. It's a course. Well, it's not even. He got a course. I never got his course. I just got into the Discord, and if you watch them live webinars, you will be able to see. I know he got it somewhere in that live webinar. How to spot high probability supply and demand. So go to his YouTube page or his Instagram, W Exchange once again, and get his Discord, bro. Get in the Discord for a few months or two if you got to. Shit, take the signals if you got to. Me personally, that's not how I want to do anything. That's not how I want to do it. I was in the Discord for about a month or two. Actually, very longer than a month. I was in that bitch for at least a month and a half or two type shit. But I took that first month that I was in there, I took a break off. The because I was seeing like certain trades that I would see with my eyes. Um, Sometimes like I don't know, I was seeing that I was second guessing the trades that I was picking out sometimes because I get in some counter trend moves sometimes, and my shit have hit. And I remember like one day like he called a trade out, the trade that I had gotten to right before like I had gotten to a specific trade, bro. I remember it was like a counter trend. It was like a buy move though on NAS, and then all my TPs was that like liquidity. It was like a 30 pip to 50 pip move type shit. And I remember he called a specific trade. I think he had called a sale that day. I think that bitch did not hit. Honestly. And then the trade that I was meant to get into, that I wanted to get into with my eyes, that I seen my own two eyes on, so like, nah, this look good to me. That bitch I hit, and I'm like, damn. And I was trying to get funded around that time. This is like 2023. This is like I was probably like 2 months into like trading live and shit like that. 2-3 months in, and I was trying to get funded. And I noticed I'm like, damn, like if I would have had confidence in myself, my trade would have hit for the day. So going through that, I'm like, bet, let me just. I had let my monthly Discord thing type run out, and then I was on the trials and tribulations of and trial and error of calling my own trades and not taking signals and shit like that. But That's around the time I was a super beginner. Um, and I was really trading like pullback type setups, but that's a whole nother story for real. That's actually it. That's not even a whole nother story. That's just a quick little story for y'all. You just gotta once you learn the material, bro, you learn how to catch fish. Once somebody teaches you how to catch fish, just go out and catch your own fish, man. Like, don't second guess anything you got going on. Just go through the trial and error phase. Don't You ain't gotta take signals. If you want to, go ahead. You got your own free will. But I know me personally, I don't want to take signals, bro. That's a cop out to me. That's an easy way out. Because anything can happen to a specific individual that you taking them setups from or them signals from, and yeah, God forbid, but anything can happen. You don't know what can happen, man. You can probably get so locked in with taking signals and shit. Now you enable, and then you don't know how to catch your own setup for real because you enable. So I don't wanna go through nothing like that. So we won't. So that's why we catch our own setups. That's why I stay in touch. I won't say in touch. I stay in tune. You feel me? I watch the stories on Instagram, and just to see what my mentor got going on for real. But I'm still on the side. I'm putting in my work, my own work and shit too. And we don't hate. We don't be no jealous of the profits he making shit like that. It's none of that. But you feel me? Like we definitely on the other side doing this shit on our lonely though. You feel me? I don't know. I found the love for this shit. Like I love trading by myself, man. I remember I was working in White Castle. So I couldn't wait to be making money by myself. Where I didn't need to like go into a job to make some money, or I could be at home making money. I literally couldn't wait for this. So now I'm in that phase of my life. So you feel me? I'm not gonna be taking signals that I know can enable me, later on in life. So I'm just going through my trials and tribulations and my trial and error of becoming a great, profitable, successful trader. So with that being said, too though, let's get back to this top down. Yeah, so on the 1 hour, my fault, y'all. I had the quick story time. I don't even know if that's gonna make the video, but y'all know I like to have my videos uncut for this specific damn, I'm fumbling over my words like a motherfucker. But for this specific series, I like to have my videos uncut, so this may definitely make it actually. So we'll see though. Anyways though, so yeah, on the 1 hour, got to break a structure. Actually, it broke this structure too. Look at that. It's almost like a major breaker structure. Not major, yeah, major enough. These is like minor swing highs, and it broke this major structure right there. So that's on the 1 hour. So that's powerful a little, bro. If you ask me, and then we got the demand right there, the high probability demand. Let's go down to the 15. See if we can scale it down, man. Can we? I don't think we can. I think if we scale this down, that'd be forced. Yeah, that'd be forced if we try to scale this down. So we just gonna look for a new setup throughout the day. Um, we can turn this on. Let's go to our 5 minute. Y'all see we cutting through the 200 EMA. So now I want to go back to the 1 hour and see what's going on with the 1 hour. So yeah, we got that high probability demand right there. We've been pushing down a little. So let's see what happens. And I want to see the 4 hour too. All right, in the 4 hour. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like we just having a minor push pullback right now. But let's just see how the next hour 30 go type shit. So then we really know what's going on with that next hour 30. So let's go back to this 1 minute. And then let's check news again so we can see what we gotta mark off. So 6:30 news came already. We got news at 7:30. So we got news at 7:30, news at 9:30. So I'm gonna do 7:30 and 9:30 over here. How y'all feeling today though, bro? Me personally, I'm feeling excelente as always. 7:30. Damn, tripping. 7:30. Didn't I say what I say? 7:30 and 8:30. Well, we know we gotta mark off 8:30 because that's the New York Open for where I'm at. I'm an hour behind Eastern Standard Time. So if you're in the Eastern Standard Time zones, it's 9:30 for you, type shit. And then I said 9:30 for news. Let me check up on that and make sure. I'm starting to get in the flow of this shit though, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving this shit. I'm really starting to get into the flow of this for real, for real. So yeah, 9:30. Is that all the news we got today? So yeah, 7:30 and then 9:30. Y'all be done trading at 10 a.m. It used to be I used to go to 11 a.m., but I ain't gonna lie, like doing this like 10 a.m. If I'm not into a set by 10, this is helping me save money and helping me like be actually more disciplined too. So I fuck with the 6 a.m. to 10 kid. Damn, what the fuck am I doing? 9:30, right? Yeah, 9:30. I'm tripping. Bet. So, so we know this is the 1 hour 15. We know this is the 1 hour demand zone right here. So I guess I keep it right here for right now. I don't know why, but yeah, I keep it right here for right now. I see a 5 minute. Oh shit! I see a 5 minute supply. Drag this to the 10. So yeah, I see that. I know all this right here is liquidity. So this one I'm gonna do too. You know, I gotta go back to my roots and trade how I was trading when I first was beginning. Keep this shit simple and cause that shit was helping me out. So I know this like liquidity right here. Um, this is what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be out to 5. So that's gonna be out to 5 minute. Keep that like that. Uh, but yeah, should I be? And then we can go to investing.com real quick too. I don't really use this y'all for real, but now I'm starting to use it after a friend of mine just put me on like last week type shit. It's like I knew about this, but I didn't use it. This shit really for like fundamentals and stuff. I'm finna start incorporating fundamental analysis into my technical analysis. You know, just become a more seasoned trader. But I ain't gonna force that. We'll get to that one day. Get better with that one day. It's coming though. It's coming though. Especially if I'm using that right now. So, so what is my technical analysis, bro? I think we're bullish for today. Well, not for the day, but I think this is what I think. I think we bullish. So I'm basically in the market because look, we going on away from the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. We've been breaking highs. We broke this supply zone. There's another supply zone up here. So I feel like we'll be able to catch the wave to the upside, but we gotta let some of this bearish momentum come down, and you gotta let the market do what it gotta do. But so when all the bullish momentum start coming in, if it does, then we'll be ready to buy. But that's my technical analysis right now. Is I believe that we will be bullish for today. That doesn't mean we will, but that's what I believe. And so yeah, we just gonna be waiting for a high probability setup to present itself. We see this supply zone right here. This is old price action. I just want to see what's gonna happen. I'm not trading no old price action, bro. Even like this 1 hour supply. I mean this 1 hour demand. I'm not trading no old price action, bro. I'm just yeah. I'm not trading no old price action. This shit is not even hmm, yeah. It's not high probability to me that 1 hour this 1 hour demand. So yeah, we ain't trading no old price action anyway though. So it don't matter. Got burnt the other day like that, doing goofy shit like that. And Used to do a little goofy shit like that from time to time, so I'm not doing that again. None this year. We just gonna see what happens. You gonna see what our trading session presents, and if it presents something high probability, we gonna be ready to take it. Shit. With that being said, having said all of that, I'll get back to y'all when the setup present itself. We already 20 minutes in this video. That's crazy. I don't be wanting my videos to be that long, but I be wanting my shit to be uncut. So it is what it is. If you can't sit through this shit, that's on you. I don't really give a fuck, because at the end of the day, this road to 100K series is literally for Titus Jude. So it's for myself to look back on, and whoever come along and want to learn something, that's on, you feel me? You doing yourself a solid, you doing yourself a favor. So yeah. Um I'm gonna get with y'all when I see a setup present itself in our time zone, in our time trading session, in our trading session. And yeah, man, that's what we got for right now. Okay, so on trading view, we just tapped it. Well, I don't think we tapped yet, but we about to tap maybe. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just mark off everything that I got on my MT4 that I got on trading view. Mark it off the same way. Let me just make sure this was recording. And then okay, so that's how I have it. So this is a 5 minute setup with 1 hour confluence. Um, damn, it was just from the tap, bro. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna tap first. If it taps, we gonna take it. Um, it's steady doing this weak ass shit. That shit steady happening to me. It'll just start. It'll get close to my zone, then wake out. And we being very disciplined, bro. We not getting into no trades unless it hits our zone. So it didn't touch the zone. It was just right there by this much. So hopefully it can probably come back. I do see that supply right there too, but I'm not taking that. And for y'all who don't see it, show y'all real quick. So I do see the supply zone. Boom, it blasted out, came back to touch. I'm not taking it though. Yeah, I'm personally not going to take this. I believe in this one a little bit more. Now that doesn't mean it's gonna win, but I mean too, if you want to look too, like we brought some structure to the downside a little, but I'm not really. I'm 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 focused on buys because of what the 4 hours doing, what the 4 hour presented me, or what I seen off the 4 hours. So damn, what's going on? So yeah, if we get a touch, we get a touch. If we don't, we don't. Got 40 minutes left in our trading session, so that'd be like, I ain't gonna say that'll hurt because we will be saving money, but we wouldn't even be risking none today if we don't get into a trade. So it'll be just like yesterday when I was trading my futures account. Like yeah, we probably won't be getting back down to this zone, y'all. But we gonna sit it out for the next 40 minutes. We gonna see. Um, if we don't get to this zone, if we don't end up taking a trade today, I don't know if I'm gonna post today because there's no trading day, and I ain't finna just post some content when I didn't even do anything and execute in the market. I mean, I can, post the content still because I I can still post the content with my top down, and hopefully that'll probably help somebody out that's locally around, and that's watching my videos, that want to know like why I do the things that I'm doing. But I am getting back to that disciplined phase in my trading career, like when I was in Doyle group chat, and you feel me, like this is how he was trading, bro. Like if his zone didn't get touched, he's not placing a trade. So I'm getting to that point. Like I'm actually, you feel me? I'm just voicing it now. I'm letting it be known why I'm going through it present day. But that's how I know I'm finna be running up on profitability soon, real soon, because I'm just so disciplined now, bro. It's really because of things I've been doing outside of my trading life, outside of what I've been doing. I mean, outside of trading, I've been actually like I've stopped smoking. I've stopped seeing multiple women. I've stopped eating meat. I've been eating fruits and vegetables mainly. Been working out every day. So even after this training session, I'm getting outside and I'm working out. I got work today at 3 p.m. too, but that's a whole nother topic. But everything outside of my regular life, I mean everything outside of trading, like that got to do with my regular life. I've just been disciplined. So like it's been showing up now. It's starting to these last 2 days. It's actually been showing up because it's low key easy to be disciplined now because I've been applying it outside of my trading career. So I'm getting back into and I am gonna post this video then just because I'm speaking on certain things. And again, during this series, this shit is uncut and this shit is really for Titus Jude Jr. So that's the reason I will be posting this today, even if I don't take a trade, just so I can have this to come back and watch on, just so I can realize when I was becoming very disciplined and getting that discipline back in getting my discipline back in order. So this is a part of that. I would have definitely liked to got into a trade today, made some like to make some money before I, went to work. I mean, don't get me wrong, bro. Um, it tapped this 15 minute damn. It tapped this 15-minute demand. Do not get me wrong. So like it would have tapped this. It tapped this. So this is a 15-minute demand zone with but I trade off the 5 minutes strictly, so that would have been a 15-minute demand. So I could have took this actually, but I actually could have took this, but just being so disciplined, bro. Like, if it don't hit my zone, I'm not taking it, bro. Like, it's just that simple. I ain't even gonna cap to you. It's just that simple. Like, I ain't gotta risk no money if I ain't got to. You feel me? Like, so he's gonna be doing everything disciplined. And look, it's making another high probability supply. I mean, a high probability demand zone. So who knows? Maybe it'll be this one. Let's just see what type of close we get. Let me do the 1 hour too. I think we had no. That was the 4 hour. So look on the 4 hour. We got wow. This is way different on than trading view. Yeah, Forex is funny. I see Forex is funny. The brokers on here are funny. Um, Let me see something real quick. I'm looking at trading view real quick to see. Am I just tripping? I don't know. I feel like I'm not, but because this is invalid. But I'm gonna mark it off real quick. So that's on the 4 hour. Let's go back to this 5 minute. Yeah, that's I don't know. This is a little weird right now. It's a little weird right now. Just gonna take this off. Delete, delete. Hold on, let me go on my trading view, man, because what is this zone right here that I have that is at right now? Is this a 1 hour supply? What is this? It's the 4 hour supply, right? Why do I have this zone right here? Oh yeah, this was a 5 minute supply. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Okay, just had to remember my fault, y'all. So let me come back to this actually. So maybe Trading View isn't. I mean, this MT4 isn't funny. They is funny though. They be doing a little funny shit on these brokers and shit. So we don't really trust them at all. So make sure you diversify too, man. If you trading forex still, make sure you are diversified, man. I suggest, I recommend going over to futures. So because I'm diversified. So just want to let anybody know that that's trading forex for real. I don't feel like forex is as safe as it used to be. And then I'm on an unregulated broker right now, so I don't have all my money inside of this. So look, we had a 5 minute supply, as you can see. Yeah, we had a 5 minute supply. This demand zone had 1 hour confluence. Okay. So this demand zone had 1 hour confluence. It ended up wicking this 1 hour. I can show y'all too, by the way. Let me just show y'all real quick. So motherfucker won't call me cap. Shit had 1 hour confluence. Look, right here. 1 hour demand zone. Let me box it off for motherfuckers. He said, man, these niggas be moving like hoes do. So look, that's that 1 hour. Matter of fact, we can zoom it out a little. Oh, nah, we can zoom it back in. I ain't gonna count. Damn, it's been reacting off this 5 minute demand zone for quite some minute now. Oh, I'm tripping. Look, 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 look. So look, let me. So look, hold on, my fault, my fault, my fault. Because we may have a trading opportunity right here. Boom, yeah. So yeah, we got a trading opportunity right here because it's tapping. I'm finna delete all this shit. My what's the call of this? Messy right now. Let me go back to this. So boom, we get a break of the candle entry. I'm going. Matter of fact, I should get in right now. I don't think I am though. I think I'm gonna just wait till like a break of structure. All of my bags heavy. I'm getting money. My holding this mag steady. You must be a dummy. Got like 100 on us. Rap shit like a mummy. Damn, we got news in a minute. Got news at 9:30. It is giving me a break of the candle on this supply zone, but I don't trade old price action, so I'm not trusting it, man. Cause I just been getting burnt. I did that shit the other day. I'm not doing it. I told myself I'm not doing it no more, and I've done it last year a couple of times, and it never really worked out for me. Maybe I should have just waited for the break of the candle. I think that's, I don't know. Did I just have FOMO right there, y'all? Maybe. I may get out of this. This got in aggressive as fuck. Over leveraged too. Ugh. This could be ugly. I ain't gonna cap. Working going off favor. Who knows? Let me just do this though. I want to walk away from this one. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Um, I want to walk away from this one. I just got in like super ultra aggressive, like ultra aggressive. I can't even count. Hopefully this play out. Cause I just got in like super aggressive, y'all. And if it give us the break of the candle right here, I'm gonna move my stop losses up here, like up here, right under this candle. So let's just see what happens, though. Ooh, this could be a big loss. Like if this end up losing, we're gonna really blow a countdown now. Honestly, if you really want to be honest, I got too much on my charts right now, man. Whew. Oh no. I don't know. Did I get into the wrong? You feel me? Should I cut this? Maybe I should cut this. I just got in ultra aggressive and I just put in more risk than I should have. Two 0.5s and a 0.3. That's risky. I ain't gonna cap y'all. That's risky. Especially this is a big zone too, bro. Like, damn. Maybe I should have waited for the break of the candle, huh? We gonna see though. But remember, I did say this has 1 hour confluence though. And this is just a 5 minute zone right here. This zone right here is just a 5 minute zone. So that's why I'm confident in this. Actually, I'm not even I'm confident in this. If it hit, it hit. If it don't, it don't. Should have used my magic keys to get into this, huh? Magic keys been acting a little funny though when I try to get into these setups though, bro. I don't know what's going on for real. If anything, this is why I should have got into the setup back if I was gonna get in aggressive. I got in all the way up here, so now I'm in drawdown a little. But like if I would have got in right here, you know, I want to throw one more on here, bro. I'm not even gonna count. Can't do it. See if they let me throw a point one. Oh shit, man! They just gave me a whack ass entry. Oh my gosh. See, now I'm being undisciplined a little, you know? Being undisciplined a little, man. I do feel like this trade will go in my favor, though. I got my 1-on-1 marked off on Trading View. Let me see where it's at. 2369. 2369. So 2369. 2369. 2369 and what else? 98 two 2369.98.98. Okay, so yeah, this is my one-on-one right here. Copy. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put two trades at the one-on-one. I'm gonna paste that right there. Two trades will go to my one. Two positions will go to my one-on-one. So let's just see what happens right here. Let's see if we in a good trade. I do feel like we in a great trade, honestly. Just gotta let it play out now. Um, so yeah, just gotta be very disciplined and let my trade play out. I kind of want to step away from the charts and just let it do what it do. So I'm gonna low key probably sit right here for like the next 10 minutes and then I'm gonna let my trade do what it do. Um, so we getting into profit right now. I want to see if this 5 minute zone is gonna be invalid. So if they start any of these candles start going up and then tapping the top of the zone, this zone will be invalid and I'll be very much more confident holding this. So this would have been a break of the candle. So maybe I should move my stop loss right here because I do got a big ass stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. I got a huge stop loss. That I don't like that stop loss. Now that we got a break of the candle, so whatever happens now happens. I could care less. Um, but we gotta be smart though. We gotta. That's a huge stop loss. I'd be dumb to keep my stop loss at that point. Now that we got like a break of the candle off of aggressive entry. So I already don't have a lot in my account, so I gotta be smart. I gotta preserve my capital, and that's what trading is all about anyway. Is preserving your capital. So I still got a big stop loss. My stop loss should really be right here, but I'm gonna give my trade some room just because I did get in aggressive and it's looking like it wanted fake out just a little. But this is a 5 minute zone, man. So I don't think this zone is gonna hold for real. But I could be wrong. So let's just see. We slight been in like a little range. Um, we slight been in a little range. Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. You need to go ahead and get up. Whew. Let me breathe. Shit got me like funny a little, like anxious as hell to see what's gonna happen. Am I on the winning side of this or am I on the losing side of this? I really like a win today. I'm not gonna lie to you. That would make work way better. Getting a win in the market, then going to work. I mean, still gonna have a great day regardless, win or lose. But yeah, that when you going to work and you made some money in the market, and like okay, I know for sure I'm not gonna be in this 9 to 5 forever. It just feel way better, bro. I can go in that bitch more joyous. I'm always gonna go to work joyous though. I always, try to uplift the people that's in there because they may be having a bad day too. So I rarely have bad days for real. Not saying I don't go through shit, but I rarely have bad days for real. So I would really like a win today. So most high, please, please, please let your boy get a nice win today, man. Let your boy get a nice win today, man. I deserve it. I really do deserve it, honestly. So sometimes you gotta talk that win in, man. You gotta talk your win in. So yeah, we going into profit right now. I feel like this is gonna be the last of the drawback, the drawdown, and then it's finna break this zone and make this zone invalid. I'll be able to breathe once this zone becomes invalid. I'll be able to breathe for real. So it's waking out though. So you feel me? And remember, we said this is all off 1 hour confluence too. So that's what I'm really putting my faith in right now is that 1 hour confluence. And then on top of this being another 5 minute setup that happened on top of the 1 hour confluence. So it swiped, it took liquidity down a little. It swiped and took liquidity off this 1 hour zone. So that's even more confirmation now that I'm thinking about it even more. So we in profit a little now, but that ain't shit though for real, man. We want to see the zone. We want to see if the zone is gonna hold, and then we want to see what's gonna happen after that. But I do want to step away from the charts. I'm not gonna cap to you. So I got like 5 more minutes on this little specific video. I may just step away from the charts, man, and then let my trade run, and I'll probably go work out real quick, and then come back and see what happened. Um, yeah. So, I don't know though. I don't know. Cause I'm gonna have to put my trade at break even too if it was to even hit the 1-on-1, so I can like hold for my runners, you know. So I'm gonna probably have to stay at the charts for low key. I'm probably gonna have to stay on these charts for a little minute, no cap. And it's looking like it's faking out for real, making me feel like I need to put my trade back where I had it and not move my stop loss because I just moved my stop loss, bro. These are all break of the candle entries though, so okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. But I want to see a close. I want to see it close above this, or at least at this level, you know, and then we'll be even more confident to hold. But it's looking pretty okay right now. It's looking like the zone may become invalid. So let's see. I don't know. I feel like it's respecting this 5 minute zone too much. Like, what the fuck? I don't know. I don't like that for real. That's a good close. It's closing above them. It's it closed above these. I don't know. This close could have been way better. I don't really like this close for real. But it closed above this, so I'm confident to still hold. But damn though, like I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm getting a little emotional holding this. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go get out. I'm finna get off the charts. I'm finna just let it do what it do. I'm finna go do something, man. I'm finna literally like probably go work out, or I'm finna probably get in the shower. One of the two. I'm finna do something though because I'm too anxious right now, and when I tend to be anxious, that's when I fuck my trades up and cut winners. So I'm finna just let it do what it do, bro. So when I get back to y'all, we'll go back over what I took. Whether it win or lose, we'll just go back over it and why I took what I took. So that being said, all right, YouTube. So look, I trade end up hitting. I got off the charts. I went out in nature, just doing me type shit. Came back, got in the shower, came back to check my trade, and it hit. So with that being said, let's go over the trade real quick that we took. I'm just gonna put this in replay mode real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I seen. I'm gonna just do the whole top down analysis for you. So I seen this 1 hour demand zone right here, early out throughout the day. Um, it's tripping right now. Okay, so when I came to the market, I had checked the 4 hour, I checked the 1 hour. But I was in that, I seen we was at a 4 hour supply. I really don't have to mark that off right now because it was invalid, and then we had a 4 hour supply that's up here, which is this zone right here. So I got that marked off, and then I got this 1 hour demand marked off right here. Let me show y'all. I ain't gonna show y'all how it look, but this is the 1 hour demand right now. So as it touched, I mean, as the day was going through, it touched, it made this zone invalid. I ended up just deleting this zone like that. But I understood if we was gonna be bullish for the rest of the day, or if we was gonna be bullish and get up here and break these structures, I understood that we had 1 hour confluence because this was a strong zone right here. Look at all this aggressive buying right out of this all this aggressive buying right there. And it came back to this area. So play it through real quick. Um, Let me see what's going on. Play it through. Let me zoom in a little too, so y'all can understand why I got into this. So look at this aggressive buying right there. That's why I made my zone right here. It's aggressive buying, and there's no closes in this zone. So look at this strong close too. That's a strong close. So that's why I made my demand zone right there. It came back, and I understood that we had this 1 hour demand zone that was made invalid, but it was decent enough. I can't really remember how it was. It was something like that. Really like this for real. Something like this. It had just wait this. So it was like 1 hour demand zone right there, right? And then look at this other demand zone that we have right out of this 1 hour demand zone. So let me delete that. Y'all know that's the 1 hour demand. And then remember, we had another demand zone right here as well. So this was my first zone that I was looking for. It ended up coming down, but it didn't touch. So when it didn't touch, I didn't get in. Because we real disciplined over here. When it touched, I didn't get in. It ended up giving me another demand zone, and this other demand zone touched, as you can see right here with this candle. It blasted out the zone, then it started coming back. It touched, um, boom, boom. I got into this aggressive. I think I got in on this candle right here. I got in like maybe around this area. I got in aggressive, and I had my stop loss right here at first, because anytime you get in aggressive before the break of the candle, which would have been right there, which would have been right here. This is the break of the candle. I didn't get in at the break of the candle. I got in aggressive. But anytime you get in aggressive, you have to put your stop loss on top of the zone or at the bottom of the zone. On top, if you in the supply. On the bottom, if you in a demand. So that's what I ended up doing. Uh, it started playing around. It was in drawdown for a little minute. You feel me? Went in profit a little, but you feel me? It was looking like it was finna fake out. But around that time, I ended up putting my stop loss like right here, around like right here. Now this would have been the real stop loss, where my stop loss supposed to been, but I wanted to give my stop loss. I wanted to give my trade some room just in case, because I knew I got in aggressive and I seen it was kind of like playing around in the area. But I had a lot of confidence in this because of the 1 hour confluence that went along with this trade. So that's why I had gave myself a little room on my stop loss this time. And then you feel me? You see what it's doing right now. So then we got a good close. And at this point, I was happy. Well, I ain't gonna say I was happy. I was more confident in this trade. So I was real confident in this trade right then at that moment. And then boom, first TP was hit. So how long did it take for this first TP to get hit? Got in right there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that's a 35. Damn, it took 35 minutes for that? That's crazy. So 35 minutes for that. And then the rest is history. And that's where we at right now. So damn, on my MC4 then my TP was like right here then. I thought I got in right there. I thought my TP. So like, yeah. So this is my TP at on MC4. So we was in this trade for how long? How long was he in this trade? How long was we in this trade? How long was we in this trade? We was in this trade for, let me see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we was in this trade for about 70 minutes. About 70 minutes that we was in this trade. So yeah, about 70 minutes for the runners and shit, the hidden shit. Damn, what the fuck? So we was in this trade for about 70 minutes altogether. We made, let me see how much I made. Where's my phone? See how much we made. So today we made $115 in 70 minutes. So that's pretty good if you ask me. I ain't gonna cap to you. I don't even make that shit at work for real in an hour. I don't make that shit. I make $17 an hour. So I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with it. So man, yeah, when we get this 6-figure account, matter of fact, I'm not even gonna talk about that. Let me cut that out. But yeah, so we made $115 in 70 minutes trading gold XAU USD. So trading gold, we made $115 in 70 minutes. I'm gonna put it on the screen right there. And that's really all I got for this video. This video is already long in itself. So having said all that, peace and love, peace, light, and love to everybody who's watching. I hope y'all getting better with yourselves. I hope y'all are working on yourselves and doing that inner work necessary to ascend to the next level. Other than that, I'm out.